Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our next topic is burning fossil fuels on page number 36. Dear students, we use fossil fuels, we burn fossil fuels to get energy that provide heat for our homes, cook or food, power or factories and generate electricity, also used as in motor vehicles. Unfortunately, these fossil fuels can cause harmful substances that cause air pollution, and this air pollution can cause significant results in the form of acid rain and global warming. So, acid rain. Dear students, all we know that acid rainwater contain a small amount of acid because our environment, in the environment, some gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen or sulfur is present. When the rain dissolves these carbon dioxide, sulfur or nitrogen in it, then it causes a basic acid rains. For example, carbon dioxide dissolves in the air making carbonic acid, same as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. This acid rain is very harmful for all the living things on the earth. For example, fish in the lakes and trees in the forest may be died due to this acid can release poisonous aluminum in the form of soil into the water, and buildings are also affected by this acid rain. Now, the next topic, global warming. Dear students, our earth is surrounded by a layer of air that is provide isolation, keeping heat in it. So, carbon dioxide is very good at keeping heat. That is why it is called as an greenhouse effect. And this gas is known as greenhouse gas. This gas is very useful making the earth warm. In this figure you can see that a layer of carbon dioxide and methane, these are two greenhouse gases, and light energy from the sun comes on the earth. So heat radiations reflected back to the earth. These heat radiations that is very harmful for the earth can get reflected back to the earth. This in turn, the effect in causing the temperature of the earth rises, and this is known as global warming. In the last 100 years, the temperature on the earth significantly rises around the 1 degree C, and this energy is used to melt ice caps, rises the sea level. Weather patterns may change, flooding, large deserts, some droughts, crops which grow well in some areas may less grow. The spread of disease carrying insects like mosquitoes. Now, mark the blanks. Blank number 7. Burning fossil fuel produce harmful substances that cause dash air pollution. Blank number 8. All rainwater contains a small amount of dash acid. Blank number 9. Carbon dioxide is very good at keeping heat in. That is why it is called a dash greenhouse gas. And blank number 10. In the last 100 years, the temperature on the earth's surface has risen by around 1 degree C. Now, test yourself questions on page number 37, and the answers are: page number 37, question number 1, explain how fossil fuels cause air pollution. As burning fossil fuels produces harmful substances. Second question, name 3 gases that causes rain to be acidic: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Question number 3, explain how acid rain kills trees. Trees in the forest are dying because the acid releases poisonous aluminum. Fourth question, what happened to the heat energy that reaches earth from the sun? Carbon dioxide in atmosphere absorbs the heat from the sun and maintains a suitable temperature. Fifth question, A part, explain why carbon dioxide is called a greenhouse gas. Answer, because carbon dioxide is very good at keeping heat within the earth atmosphere. B part, name one other greenhouse gas, methane. Sixth question, A part, what is global warming? In the air, the amount of carbon dioxide is increasing the greenhouse effect, causing the temperature of the earth to rise. Now B part, explain how global warming can lead to a flooding of low-lying areas. It will cause the ice caps to melt, causing sea level to rise.